Welcome to the course MGP 001 entitled Gandhi, the Man and His Time. This course relates to the postgraduate certificate in Gandhi and Peace Studies, coded as PGC GPS. This course worth of 4 credit. Any graduate can enroll in this program. This program is of 6-month duration. It can continue up to 2 years. Medium of instruction for this course is English. Main objective of this course is to promote Gandhi's concept of peace and social regeneration, to spread Gandhi's vision of peace and non-violent activism, to understand Gandhi's concept of world order for global peace and security, to develop peace and conflict resolution from interdisciplinary perspective. This course is presented in 4 interrelated blocks. We begin with the block Making of Gandhi. Here we introduce Gandhi, talk about his formative years, his community, the family, neighborhood, early education, study in England. Then we talk about Indian influence on Gandhi, the epics, the narratives, the Gita, Rai Chand Bhai, local folklores, etc. Also, we talk about Western influence on Gandhi, especially of Ruskin, Tado, Tolstoy, and others. Then we take you to Gandhi and mass struggle. We talk about Gandhi in South Africa, struggle against racial discrimination, from passive resistance to Satyagraha, the lesson he learned in South Africa. Then we talk about Gandhi's return to India, Gandhi's participation in the Champaran, Khera, labor strike in Ahmedabad, Rawal Satyagraha, etc. We talk about also Gandhi's approach to Caliphate and non-cooperation movement in 1920s and civil disobedience movements in 1930s. Then we talk about Towards Freedom, Communal Award and Pune Pact, the Gandhi's constructive program, the Quit India movement and partition of India. At the end, we talk about Gandhi and his contemporaries, the moderate, extremist, revolutionarist and Mahatma Gandhi. Here we talk about Gandhi's intersectionality with Gokhale, Tilak and Bhagat Singh. We also talk about Gandhi, Jinnah and Savarkar, Tagore, Nehru and Ambedkar, Gandhi and the left. Then we talk about M.N. Roy, Lohia and other scholars. While you will be enrolled in this program, you will be getting a set of self-instructional print material. Those are self-content, self-explanatory, self-motivating, self-evaluatory and self-guided, as teachers are inbuilt in this course material. You also will be supported by a set of audio-video material, teleconferencing and radio conferencing. You also will be getting support from our academic counselors located in the study center. Your course curriculum will be evaluated through a mode of first what we call continuous evaluation through assignment. Once you complete the assignment, you will be getting 30% weightage, and at the end you will have to sit for the term and examination. Those usually take place in the month of June and December. Welcome to this course on Gandhi and peace. Thank you.